Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you create a virtual sub account of your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create a virtual sub account, you just simply have to open any of your browser into desktop site. I'm opening this Chrome at very first, and after that you just simply have to open bitget.com and log in your account in this section. And after logging your account in, you will get to see your profile into the top right corner. Simply tap into that, and after that you will have to select this option of sub account from here. Simply tap to sub accounts, and after going into sub account you will get this option of sub account into very top, where you will get this option of create. Simply tap to create button and you will get this option to choose virtual sub account. Simply tap to virtual sub account, and after that you will have to fill up this information, where you will have to add the name of sub account at very first and add the note for your sub account. Let me create the name, and after that you can just simply create API if you want, but if you don't want you can just leave it as it is and tap to create button. And after that you have to enter your security verification, which you will get into your mobile number, email address and Google Authenticator. Just simply enter all three codes into this section and tap to confirm, and your sub account will successfully be created. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.